Alright, here's the big questions. Can Lovable AI really help you build websites, apps and digital products without any coding skills? I have been testing it for a few weeks and I got to say Lovable might actually surprise you. It's not just another content generator. It's a full-on no-code AI builder that promises to help you create everything from landing pages to full digital products. But is it all hype or is this a tool you need? Let's find out. Here's how it works. Start with your idea, whether it's product, service or brand. And Lovable takes it from there. It crafts your brand identity, logos, colors and tone of voice and then builds out your entire product experience. No need to jump between tools like Figma and Webflow. It's all in one. Now let's talk about speed. If you are solo founder or marketer, this tool is a game changer. You can go from blank page to fully designed landing page in minutes. And the best part, no code. You don't need to hire a developer or designer. Lovable handles it all. Perfect for launching MVPs or quickly testing out ideas. But here's the catch, it's not perfect. If you are looking for deep customization or building something with complex logic, Lovable might feel a bit restrictive. No payment gateways, no CRM tools, and sometimes the design needs a little tweaking. So who is this for? If you are a founder, launching fast and a marketer without a tech team or a freelancer in need of quick mockups, this is perfect. But if you are a developer or need advanced e-commerce features, you will hit some limits. The bottom line, Lovable isn't for everyone, but if you need to move fast, validate an idea, get something live without coding, this tool delivers. It might not replace pro-level design tools, but for getting started, it's the best no-code platform I have seen in 2025. What do you think? Is Lovable AI the tool for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews. And see you next time.